Just as a sewing machine stitches together fabric with precision, the piano weaves melodies into the fabric of our emotions, creating harmonious tapestries of sound. The piece Matthew is playing is entitled On the Sewing Machine by Elena Davis.
Thank you so much. Next to performer, Noah Angelo Calibat Tubigan. May I call her Miss Irene?
Good evening, everyone. It's with great pleasure that I introduce my son, Noah Angelo Tubigan, who will be playing Ode to Joy tonight. Ode to Joy is a famous musical piece. The tune is the prelude to the fourth and final movement of Ludwig van Beethoven's Symphony No. 9, first performed in Vienna in 1824. It's a tune about peace. Ode to Joy represents the triumph of universal brotherhood against war and desperation. Indeed, Beethoven himself put to music a poem that praises and wishes for freedom and peace between all peoples.
Thank you so much, Mr. Noah Angelo.
Our next performer will be playing Canon in C by Johann Pachelbel with Morning Song by Edward Gray. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce to you my daughter, Marquesha Kathleen Villaluz Repeat.
Kesha.
Good evening, everyone. Tonight, Anaya will be enchanting us with her rendition of Cry by CAS, a song that delves deep into themes of longing, desire, and the profound emotional intensity found within romantic relationships. Characterized by its ethereal instrumentation, this piece resonates with emotional depth, inviting listeners on a journey through the complexities of the heart.
Thank you so much, Ms. Anaya.
This musical theme is a whimsical waltz reminiscent of the music one hears on a carousel. Composed by Joey Saishi for the studio film Howl's Moving Castle, it showcases a dynamic progression beginning with a solemn tone and evolving into a majestic crescendo. It serves as a metaphor of our life's journey, like a carousel with its ups and downs spinning round and round, savoring the myriad magical moments life presents. Introducing Shian Avery Kalega, here to perform Merry-Go-Round of Life.
Thank you so much, Ms. Zia.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present you Renzo Alessandro Salvador. Tonight he will bring to us the thrilling and adventurous melodies of Pirates by the talented Claude Badelt. It is an iconic soundtrack with bold and spirited notes as it aims to evoke a sense of freedom and excitement. For his next number, Renzo will play a song that has captivated hearts of many for over 2 centuries, a classic that resonates with emotions of longing and tenderness. Each note tells a story, and every pause is filled with anticipation. Presenting Renzo Salvador with Beethoven's For Elise. Renzo's final song has become a musical banner of hope and unity. It gained global recognition as it served as one of the anthems for 2022 FIFA World Cup. Please join us in embracing the rhythm that connects us all in the spirit of togetherness and harmony. Here's Renzo for Waving Flag for Canaan.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage my son, Mr. Daniel Vakram Glave, a young artist like his father, whose passion for music knows no bounds. His first piece, Practice Makes Perfect, by Nicolene Van Goor, embodies the journey of mastering a skill through dedication and perseverance. Its gentle melody flows with grace, echoing the beauty of progress. captivate us with Beethoven's Fifth Symphony, which is one of the most iconic and recognizable pieces of classical music in history, from its powerful and stormy first movement to the triumphant finale. With its delicate harmonies and shimmering notes, Macram's final piece will soothe and unfold the beauty of the ocean before our ears. So sit back, relax, and let the ethereal sounds of Angel Fish by Anne Crosby Godet transport you to the realm of serenity and wonder.
Salvador will indulge us with a musical piece from Jurassic Park 3, composed by the talented Don Davis. Let each note evoke the grandeur of a world lost to time and the mystery of the dinosaurs that once ruled our planet. To caps tonight's piano recital, here's a song that is not just a melody, but a symbol of friendship, dreams, and the indomitable spirit of exploration. It is the iconic opening theme song from the beloved anime One Piece. Here's Ramon Salvador for We Are by Kohei Tanaka.
amazing. Please join me in extending our heartfelt applause to the pianist for the breathtaking performances. Ladies and gentlemen, as the echoes of the piano fade into a fond memory, we now turn our attention to the next enchanting segment of tonight's event. In moments, the air will be filled with celestial sound of bells. Each chime is a note in the grand symphony of life, and our performers are ready to take us on our journey through the resonant beauty of bell music. Without further ado, let us welcome the bell performers to the stage and anticipate the joyous ring that promises to lift our spirits and charm our hearts. Let us all welcome Joran Dennis Aspuria, Skylar Nad Ferrigo, Ethan Andres Delfin de los Reyes, Ethan Lutza Paras Deli, Avila Jane Villanueva Lina, Abraham Miguel de Guzman Agnoraingay, Nathaniel Adam Karibat Tubigan, Alina Kadi Policarpio. That was amazing.